Looking for the best all-in-one washers and dryers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 all-in-one washers and dryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Haier 2.0 cubic feet all-in-one front-load washer and electric dryer. Pros: this model stands out for being economical in terms of energy and water usage. Users appreciate that it cleans and dries well with a compact design. It also offers a good variety of washing and drying options for the price. Cons: on occasion consumers report issues with the machine not working or leaking, and some feel it didn't clean soiled loads perfectly the first time. Dry time is also longer than standard models. Bottom line: a solid choice in a combo washer dryer that is very energy efficient. At number 2. Deco 1.6 cubic feet compact combo washer and electric dryer with sensor dry. Pros: this model gets top marks for its convenience and efficiency, with consumers praising the cleanliness of the clothes and compact design. It is available at a lower price point than many other models but still has a variety of temperature settings to choose from. Cons: because of its small capacity, this model works best for smaller households or RV use. Occasionally consumers reported circuit board errors or leaks. Drying time can be a bit long. Bottom line: a good value for its cost, this is a top choice for a smaller unit. At number 1. LG Electronics 4.3 cubic feet all-in-one washer and electric ventless dryer. Pros: consumers praise the flexibility and convenience of this model, reporting that it cleans well and is versatile enough for many different items. We love the space-saving design, and it also has the bonus of eliminating static during the drying cycle. Comes with a convenient storage drawer. Cons: tends to take longer to dry than standard models. Some consumers reported having difficulty with pet hair accumulating in the unit. Bottom line: a top contender for an all-in-one washer and dryer that works well and has plenty of options. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.